ma rääkisin Lauriga sellest pealkasvust, mingit pealkasvust teha ja Lauri sõnas, et äkki läheks mingi peabki
I'm dead tired because it was a 12-hour shift, 10 to 10, and now I don't know. I have a lot of respect for those who does this on like a regular basis. Catering is hard, man. You don't know it until you do it. I didn't film too much later because it was a lot of orders of pizza and pasta, and yeah, signing out.